Hi, I'm Gary, aka The Doctor, and I suppose I'll be your lead developer for KangaOS.com. This demonstration will show you how to install KangaDate onto LunarPages. Okay, let's have a look at KangaOS.com. This is the first page that you'll be presented with when you go on to KangaOS.com. At the top of the page you'll see a number of links. Let's click on KangaDate. This will be your first point of call for all things KangaDate. This is where I will make announcements of new releases and general updates. If you have a problem with KangaDate, please post this over at the support forum. You can even select what language you want. So if English is not your native language, no problem, Google will translate it. Right, let's get KangaDate installed. First of all, you will need to go to your FTP client, in this instance, FileZilla. Click on the connect button, then select the server that you want to connect to, select connect, and you're away. Once you're connected, we can navigate to the directory where you want to install KangaDate. Once you're in the directory, simply upload KangaDate. Simple as that. Whilst this is uploading, let's log into LunarPages. Go to lpwebhosting.com and click on Login. This will take you to the login page. Stick your username and password in and log in. Click on the control panel and go to the Lunar panel. This will come up in a new tab. Once the Lunar panel has loaded, you'll be able to create a new database. You can do this by using MySQL Manager, ensuring a database and username is provided, then assigning full permissions for the user onto the database. But from this screen, I'm going to head over to the File Manager. This will bring up this page. Right. In the same way that you navigated to the directory in FileZilla, do the same in the File Manager. As you can see, only half of the file has been uploaded so far, so I'll check the progress with FileZilla. Job's done. Now let's go back to the File Manager. Nearly done. Select the zip file and extract. You can delete the Mac OS X file, that is not needed. It's just something that Mac OS adds to the zip file for no reason whatsoever. Go to the public HTML. Now, if required, you can move this to the folder where you want KangaDate installed. Okay. Just the installation left now. Open a new tab, then type into your browser where KangaDate is. In this case, KangaOS.com/KangaDate. If there are any issues, you'll be told on this page. You'll be unable to proceed. If you are unable to rectify these problems, you'll need to contact your host, in this case, LunarPages. But I'm going to proceed with the installation. At the bottom of the page, you'll see Continue. Click on it. Okay, we're now onto the second stage, connecting to the database. The host is normally localhost, but if you are using LunarPages, this most probably won't be the case. Check your critical account information to see what server your database is on. Put the information that is required in to connect to your database, then click Continue. If you successfully connect to your database, you can now create your admin account. Put in the email you want to use as admin and your desired password. You will see that language can be changed. As default, only English is shipped with KangaDate. This can be changed once installed. You can also select your country. Here, I'm going to select the United States. Now click Continue. This will now populate your database with KangaDate tables. Select Continue to carry on. One issue that is known when populating the database is that it can time out. If you get this screen, refresh your browser. This will bring up the following. I know this looks bad, doesn't it? It's not as bad as what you think. You can't continue on this page, but what you can do is change the address bar. The last digit from 5 to 6. Hey presto, you're through to the same page as you would have been if it hadn't have timed out. It is advisable though, if it does time out, that you check the database to make sure that it's fully installed. This is the final station of the installation. Here you can configure your mail settings or simply bypass this stage. Congratulations, you have successfully installed KangaDate. Now let's go to the KangaDate site. First of all, you'll get the following message. This is just informing you that the install directory and the files have been renamed. This page will only be displayed once. I would advise you to delete the installation files. Now refresh the page again, and there you go, your new KangaDate site. It has taken just under 7 minutes to install KangaDate.